Hi everybody, we are super excited to learn that our documentary film, Bobi Wine, the People's President, has been nominated to the Oscars. This means so much to our story as the people of Uganda, knowing that now the world is looking at Uganda. It means so much to our struggle and means so much to the political prisoners and all the suffering people in Uganda.
Yes, it is so humbling to be recognized at this level. In the film industry, the Academy Awards, thank you so much for recognizing the Ugandan story, for standing with us, pushing our voice forward. And also we are very grateful to Nat Geo, National Geographic, you're amazing. We're grateful to Moses Bwayo,
Christopher Sharp,
yes, John Batsek, and everybody else that has been part of this film. We do not take it for granted. It is beyond our dreams. We can't believe we have come this far. The Ugandan community, the people who fight for democracy here cannot believe that the story is this far.
Thank you very much. By the way, we must tell the world that for us, this is not just a nomination. It is another level of safety for us, knowing that the world is watching what's happening now. We know that we're not suffering in the dark. Thank you very much. We are super excited.
And we're looking forward to being voted to win this award.
Definitely.
Yes, we are. Thank you.
Thank you very much.